Hello friends, so I want to continue uh, album Hello Baby or Welcome Baby, and we going to do page 7. In my stash I found this baby body, so I make something like that. And now I have a body for my page 7. Then I want to do accordion inside, not accordion, okay, I don't know now. So I am thinking to put this here. I need to make stop to not too much move that. I show you why. Okay, so now I need, because that going like that. So before I make some mark here on the paper, so it goes like that, but this one will goes like that, so because I already make double tape, so again, okay, it's too early, so I take this out of this tape, and now very carefully I hope it's straight. I just thin, okay, and I check if it's okay. Not really. So I need that put a little bit lower. Maybe not. Okay, so now I can erase that mark, and now it's almost fine. Okay, a bit on edge, so now now I need mark where to put here and here. Okay, so this can go out. I don't need them right now. And what I want to now, I want to glue this like that. Okay, okay. So first, maybe I put tape on. Take tape off. Top of tape off. Put glue. Okay, and now it's have to go almost on the bottom, because I want maybe 3 of that waterfall cards have here. Okay, so now I see. Now I put other like that. Okay, so again tape. Off. Glue. Ah, no, okay. Sorry. I have to see if it's straight. It's not. Okay, and now third. So tape. Get off. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is a little bit. I don't know if I fix it. Okay. Again. Okay. So 2 photo, 4, 6, 7, and 8 photos. Perfect. But now we have to close that, and what I decide, I want to do closure like that. So I need that needle, make hole, and also hole through the page. Oh, it's again tape there. Okay, so because it's tape, so I want to take off cover. Okay, dokie, again. Now I put bread in. Now through, and Now I want to glue also also this. Okay. Now it's fine. Okay. I can add, when I hold this tape, I can add also tape here. Okay. So let's see what else I was thinking to do here. I think I have some giraffe here. Just glue giraffe here and giraffe here and that. Maybe like that. Okay, okie dokie. Because on other side is a giraffe. That was the paper, this one, where on the top was giraffe. I show you on next page. Okay, okie dokie. Okay, this cute giraffe will on baby body. And page is almost done. Oh, no, just the whole. I was thinking make some pocket, but it's enough place for photos. So that smiling sheep, it's nice. So we have page like that. When we open, we can put photos here, 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 and also here. And closure is like that. Vintage pattern. Okay, so it's ready to go on album. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and teeny weeny 8. Okay, great. Now glue. It's again dry, I think. And now we go. Great. Now we smash all that, especially on corner. Here is too much. Here also too much. And here almost nothing. Now I take album and put page on album page, and we have done page 7. It's not good. Okay, now it's okay. Here is a ladder glue. I don't like it. Okay, I'm happy. Thank you very much to have patience to be with me, and see you on page 8. Thank you very much.